What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna hop right into it. First, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows and fill those in with the Juvia's Place pomade. It also came along with the eyebrow brush as well, which was very convenient. So yeah, I'm just going along the arch of whatever arch that is that I have and filling those bad boys in, and just like that, baby girl, I have eyebrows. Yes. So here now I'm just concealing my eyes, setting the eyes with my Revolution powder, and yeah, so there can be a nice base for my beautiful colors. Look at that, look at that. This is the star of the show, the Saharan Juvia's Place palette. Yes. Here I'm going to just start off with the transition shade, and I'm using the Jamila color in that palette. And so yeah, just applying that color to my eyelids as my transition shade. Next, I am applying the Sokoto color, and here I'm just redefining that orange color. As you can see, it's being a little bit more pigmented and it's very like vibrant, which I love. I really want that orange to show in this look. Now I'm going in with the Wadabe. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm trying my best to pronounce these colors. So if you guys know that I'm wrong, please correct me, because I am trying my best. I promise. So yeah, look at that color, y'all. These colors are very pigmented, which I love. I didn't have to stress or toil to have the color to really show. So now I'm going in with the Kia color, and I am applying that onto the gold and just creating a nice gradient effect to the eyes. Yes, honey. Oh. So now that I have that, I didn't actually show the color in the video, but this is the Chad color in that palette. This is just a nice dark black to add more of dimension to my eyes. Oh, that was pretty quick. Now I am applying the glitter, silver glitter, to my crease. This is a collection that I got from Amazon. I will link everything down in the description box below so that you're notified of all of the products that I used. But this is mainly specifically targeting Juvia's Place. So now I am outlining my eyes, creating a wing liner with some white eyeliner. And this is also from Amazon as well. So as you can see, I am priming my face with my Master Prime Maybelline primer, and then I am going in and applying my Wet n Wild foundation, and this is in the color Mahogany. So now that I have my foundation all blended, I am going in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the color 13, and y'all, the consistency of these concealers are bomb. The only thing is, next time I'm going to order a tad bit darker color for my liking, but it blends effortlessly, and I love the consistency. It's, yeah, they did their thing with these, period. So now I'm just blending the concealer in with my beauty blender. Blend, 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 ladies. So now that I have that blended, I am going to contour with my Juvia's Place contour stick in the color Sokoto. Baby girl, what are you doing? That's, yeah, I'm very heavy-handed. That was unacceptable. Just blending that in. Yes, honey. Now I am setting with my Revolution setting powder, setting all the places where I highlighted, and yeah. So as I'm finishing up with blending my contour, I'm going to go in with the Zoya color in the Juvia's Place palette and apply that color to my cheeks as my blush. Yes, look how rosy that looks. That's so pretty. So now I'm setting my face with the rose water, and just in a second, boom, I have lashes. Oh, period pool. So now I am going in with the Chad color in the Juvia's Place palette once more, and I'm applying that color to my waterline. And I am applying some mascara to my lashes with the LA Girl Pro Mega Lash. So now I'm going in with the color Fula, and I'm applying that color to my inner tear ducts just to add a pop of color. And this is another star of the show, the Juvia's Place Royalty Loose Highlighter. Baby girl, look at that pigmentation. Yes, like y'all just added more royalty to my royalty, period. Come through, Juvia's. I love it. So now I am lining my lips with the dark brown lip liner, and I am applying matte lipstick by Nice Face in the color 22. Now adding some NYX gloss on top in the color BLG05, and it's a wrap. Yes, this is it. This is it. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this look. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video. Well guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.